very warm greeting to both of our IC members, Father Joshi Kutunkar and Mrs. Rita Thakur. Myself, Saurabh Pandey, I am welcoming you at this videography of J. Don Bosco School, Bojapur, Azamgarh. I am standing here along with our respected manager sir and respected principal sir, Mr. Santosh Kumar Yadav. Right now we are standing just outside of the gate number 1 and now we are going to enter inside the gate number 1 of our school. As you can see on the left hand side, here is the guard room of our school. And here is the cycle stand for the students as well as the parking on the other side. On the right hand side, as the camera is the panning, you can see the administrative block of our school. All the offices are situated here. The counselor's office, the fees collection office, the reception, and also the visitor room and principal office is here. You can also see the fire extinguishers are installed on the walls of these offices. Okay, so now we are standing just outside the office of our school, and as we are going to enter inside, the first thing you are going to see is the reception for the parents or the guardians. The notice boards, the fire extinguishers, and all things are located here. This first room is the manager's room, as we are going to advance into it. This room is for the visitors as well as the proper sitting arrangement for everyone is here. And now we are coming outside of this room. On the right hand side, this is the fees counter. And on this side, this is the principal's office. Our school is equipped with the CCTV cameras and also the CCTV displays just located in the front of the principal's desk. The notice boards and all the almirahs are here. And now we are coming outside of the office. And now we are moving towards the counselor's office. This is the office for the counselors. So students and teachers can come here on any time. And now we are entering the corridor of our academic section. The first room you can see, this is the composite lab. And now we are entering into it. This is the fully furnished and fully equipped composite lab for the students up to class 9th or 10th. Here is also we have installed a projector here and a smart display board here. And all the equipment for the subject of science, biology, physics and chemistry are here. And now we are moving outside of the composite lab. These are the display boards decorated by the house teachers and students. But as you know, the COVID situation is going on. These boards are decorated by our teachers, not by the students. Here is the thought board. So students can write daily thoughts here for the daily motivation. You can see the first room is the class first. Now we are entering inside it. As you can see, the room is pretty spacious. The dimensions of room is 25 by 20. The seats are pretty comfortable. And on the back side you can see the pretty decent green board is here. The two display boards are here for displaying the drawing and craft work of the students. The dustbins is also located and placed inside the classrooms. This is the second classroom for class second. The dimensions are same as the previous class, 25 by 30. In all rooms we have installed CCTV cameras on the back side of the class. The dustbins are also placed inside every classroom and also two display boards in each classroom. Size 20 by 20. You can also see the fire extinguishers are outside of the corridor. We have placed on equal distances. Now we are entering into the class 3 or class 3rd. The same dimensions are here also, 25 feet by 20 feet. Every class is equipped with a proper green board, a CCTV camera and two display boards. You can see the seats are pretty wide. They can house 3 students at one time and they can see very comfortably. Now we are entering into the class 4. As I have already told you, the size of the rooms are according to the CBSE norms. So these are 25 by 20 feet. As we are proceeding in this side, you can see a CCTV camera is installed in the corridor also. Here is the Raman House display board. You can see the CCTV camera as well as the fire extinguisher is here. If I want to just focus on the expiry date or the date of refilling, all the fire cylinders are up to date. This is the math lab. Now we are going to enter inside the math lab. We have all the things that are needed inside the math lab, and you can see the DVR or the CCTV control center is also here. The room is also equipped with all the charts for the students. Now we are moving outside of the math lab. Next class 5th. This is class 5th, room number 7. As you can see, at the back side of every class, we have installed a big windows, and they are guarded by the safety mosquito nets, so that mosquitoes or any insects don't bother students. Here you can see a big green board, enough for the class 5th. Also you can see the teacher's table here. Now we are moving outside of this classroom. You can see the display board of Tilak House just outside of the class 6th. And now we are entering into the class 6th. Room number 2. You can see the two display boards decorated by our students. The big window at the back side protected by the mosquito net. A big green display, green board is here also. And now we are moving outside of the class. You can also see the dustbins with the lid are also installed here. There is also another fire extinguisher is here, and also some thoughts by great sage Swami Vivekananda. As we are entering into the class 7th
and room number 9.
and room number 9, the dimensions are always same. These are the 25 by 20. You can see the window at the back side of the room as the same big green board. And now we are moving outside of this class 7. You can also see the ramp is here for the specially abled childs. We have installed a pretty wide ramp is here that directly leads to the assembly ground. This is class 8. Now we are entering inside it. The dimensions are same and the room is pretty wide and airy also. A pretty big window is installed at the back side for the natural light, as well as the artificial lights are installed in the classroom. And now we are moving outside of the class 8. Here this water cooler plus RO machine is installed. The water outlet is not here. The water outlet is just besides here for the drinking water of students. A water basin with 2 water outlets are installed here. As you can see, these are very running and active. Okay, so now we are standing outside of the girls' toilet. Now we are going to enter inside the girls' toilet. Here you can see 5 different urinals for the girls. With the proper hand wash is installed here, and water basin also. This is the first urinal in the Indian style. The second one, the third one, the second basin, wash basin, the fourth one, and the fifth one. Now we are moving outside of the girls' toilet. And now we are going to move inside the boys' toilet. Here are also 5 Indian commodes are installed here with 2 wash basins. The fourth one and the fifth one. And on the other side, you can see the urinals are also installed for the students. 5 urinals at the proper height for both the tall and the short students. The 3 at the tall and 2 for the short students. And now we are moving outside of the boys' toilet. you can see we have given the duty for the two guards for the proper safety of the students. This is Kusum and Mrs. Savita, and also the two CCTV cameras are situated at the both ends of the corridor for the safety of the students. And now we are moving inside the class 9th A. You can also see the fire extinguisher is installed here. Now we are moving inside. You can also see this CCTV camera that covers 180 degrees. This is classroom 9th, a pretty big and wide classroom here with the proper seating arrangement. CCTV also. The CCTV is also installed on the corner of the staff. Now we are moving from the ground floor to the first floor, also with our principal sir and manager sir. You can see here are the four ideal person of the students. And now we are coming on the first floor of our school. Now our first stop is physics lab. You can also see the CCTV camera is installed here and fire extinguisher on the right side of the gate of the physics lab. So this is the physics lab we have made for our upcoming classes. The room is pretty big here and fully equipped. Now you are seeing the iron grill is installed here for the safety purpose of our students. You can see this is pretty strong one. And now we are moving inside our computer lab or computer room. You can see we have installed here 20 computers. And if you are noticing some computers without the CPU, these are from the server side. Okay, now we are coming back to our classes. This is 9th C. The dimensions are same, 25 by 20. The rooms are always big and heavy. And now we are coming inside the classroom 9th B. The dimensions are same. They stand for chalk and duster. Are installed. CCTV camera is also here. And now we are going to move inside the library. Chemistry and bio lab also. On this corridor, the chemistry and bio lab is also installed. The grills are here, and this is our library. CCTV camera. So this is the our school library, housing more than 3,000 books. As the camera is panning, I am going to tell you that we have posted photos of some famous personalities for the inspiration of our students. We always bring the newspapers and the magazine for the students. You can see the sitting arrangement for the students is pretty good. NCERT, novel, encyclopedia also available. The books are divided into proper categorization. Here you can see the newspaper reading corner where students can stand and read the newspapers here. The CCTV camera is also installed here. And now we are coming outside of the library and we are going to see our vacant rooms for the upgradation. These are the vacant rooms. The size is same, 25 feet by 30 feet. This is the second vacant room. This is the third vacant room. The fire extinguisher is also installed here. And as we are going to come inside, the rooms are functional. Now we are going to enter inside the chemistry lab of our school. You can see pretty big chemistry lab for our upcoming classes. The permanent fixtures and fully equipped chemistry lab is here. All the water outlets are working. As you can see, our principal sir is demonstrating. A proper green board is also installed, as well as the chart paper for the students. The CCTV cameras are also installed inside the chemistry lab. All the equipment and accessories needed for the functional chemistry lab is installed here. Inside of our biology lab. This is our biology lab. You can see fully functional like all the other ones and fully equipped also. All the water outlets are working as our manager sir and principal sir is showing you. And now we are coming again to our ground floor from the first floor. And now we are moving toward the corridor. And now we are here standing just outside of our staff toilet. You can see as I am telling our videographer to get inside this. Here the two pots are installed. Outside of our teachers' staff room. as you can see, and this is also a pretty big area outside of the staff room. Now we are moving toward the second corridor. Another vacant room, you can see.
इसको क्लिक करना
This is the another vacant room here. You can see our cameraman is entering inside this vacant room. And now we are going to move inside our activity cum music room. As our cameraman is advancing inside this, you can see the music instruments are also placed here. And now you are seeing our sports store room. The room is here for storing all the sports equipment, chessboard, badminton, caroms, cricket, and now we are going back to our ground floor. And now we are going to cover our assembly ground. As you can see, the both stairs are here and the ramp is here. Another second ramp for the specially abled children. As you can see, our assembly ground houses big shady trees also for the shades of students. You can see this is the stage.
Savidyaya Vimuktaye. It's our logo. Dustbin.
You can see the dustbin is placed and also the drinking water outlets are here. You can see this is the second outlet for drinking water. And now we are going to move towards our playground. You can see a big gate is installed here. And now we are going to enter into our playground. And now we are inside our playground. You can see the gate number 2 is here and it is closed for the safety purposes. Now you are seeing the wide angle shot of our playground. The playground houses grounds for badminton, kho-kho, kabaddi, cricket and volleyball. These games courts are made according to international standards. You can also see, the swings are also installed here for students. And now you are seeing the stage. This stage is used for prize distribution for our sports. This is our badminton ground you are seeing right now. You are also seeing the wide angle shot of our school boundary. This is a permanent pitch made for This is a permanent pitch made for our cricket lover students. Now you are seeing the shot of our school boundary. Here are also installed some exit gates in the emergency situations.
Kabaddi ground also.
This is a kabaddi ground. And this ground area is also left for another sport. Now you are currently seeing our volleyball ground. And by this we are
बाउंड्री भी लेते रहिएगा.
This is our cricket pitch, you can see. And now we are moving toward right hand side. This is Kho ground you are seeing right now. The poles are for Kho ground are also permanent. And now we are moving outside of our playground, and by this shot we are completing our videography for the VIOS. And I want to thank you in the last for both our IC members and also our principal sir and manager sir to be with me during whole videography. Thank you.